Okay, my dad umuntu osebenza ngogesi, plumbing, ukufaka ama-tiles, umsebenzi nje wezandla, yabo.
Yes.
Bambiza ePolokwane. I think bekakwa isikolo. So every time baba makasebenza, there's certain times la bengizokuna ukuthi ngihambe naye, maybe ngimu-assiste, like ngibheke ukuthi abantu bakhe bayenza zona, yabo, into ezinjalo. So there was this day, it was Saturday. Laba abanye abasebenzi decided ukuthi bayophuza, sale thina, sihleli. So masihleli, having isiqoqa, there's a thing iyandlula. This thing yinde, and I can't describe it. Uqeda ukudlula that thing, there's a guy ozayo ongagqokanga iskipa on top. Iyandlula, ithe mayindlula, akekho obuzobona. Like, akekho obuzukuthi uyibonile, angibonanga. Sonke we ran. Sigijimela kuphi? Emaklasini. So masingena la emaklasini, ama-light akhona is like as lighter automatically, like now kuthi kune switch. We had to start ama-fashion. Siphule ama lights. Cause sithukile, like we are, yabo, sithukile. So masilele, kusho ukuthi this thing ingifikela, yabo. Bayingifikela like iyangihama, ngilele like I'm half awake, half asleep. Like I can hear, yabo. This thing ingifikela iyangihama, yabo. So mangihama, I'm trying to say G.